So hello guys, welcome back to the new video, and here I'm going to tell you how the artificial intelligence is going to replace the jobs that are currently in the particular industry. So the first, that is the technical jobs, that is technology jobs like coders, computer programmers, software engineer, data analyst, etc, etc. So definitely these jobs will be replaced by artificial intelligence, not now, means I'm telling you it with respect to the next upcoming 10 to 15 years, definitely, because currently the AI model is not that trained to build the logic. But yes, definitely these tech jobs will be replaced, and there will be the no coder AI tools that will take over these technical jobs. So the second one is media jobs like advertising, then content creation, technical writing, journalism, etc, etc. These media jobs, as you can see, currently we are now able to create videos with the help of simple text. So definitely if you wanted to run your marketing campaign, creating the video with the help of AI can be done with the artificial intelligence. So even these jobs are at risk. As I said, this will not take the transition in next to 5 to 10 years, but definitely for sure in next 15 years. So the third one is finance jobs like financial analyst, personal financial advisor. Here the one drawback is that people are not able to use the AI, those who are not technical, very efficiently, unless and until people start using this artificial intelligence tools and they educate themselves to use it. Definitely even these jobs will be replaced, but there is a chances like these jobs will exist in B2B side of business. So yeah, that is it. And the fourth is, as I said, for the marketing, the market research analyst will be replaced by artificial intelligence, as people are not aware how they can use technology for their business in India. At least these jobs will be there, but definitely if people educate themselves for the next 10 to 15 years, definitely there are the chances that jobs will be replaced by AI. And the fifth, what I think, is graphic designing. So you can see there are many currently now new AI tools that are helping graphic designers to just create the advertising post, you can say, with the help of simple text giving input to the AI bot. So definitely this can change also, if let's say if this remains in the particular industry, there will be some of the editing changes that we can customize using the artificial intelligence tools. So yeah, these are some of the jobs that I think that artificial intelligence will replace in upcoming 15 to 20 years. So yeah, that is it, and this was the video how the AI will replace the jobs that are existing in the market. So this was the video. If you are not interested about the course, just you can leave it out. But this I would like to tell you, I have created a course on ChatGPT, how you can use ChatGPT in 101 different ways. If you'll go through the curriculum section, just you will find I've used ChatGPT in each and every profession. Like you can see ChatGPT as an advertiser. Even I have provided you the text file. Just you can simple copy paste the prompt into the ChatGPT, and that will help you out. So like you can see here, ChatGPT as an advertiser, UX developer. I've created around 101 different videos in different professions. Like you can see like SQL terminal, then tech reviewer. So these are some of the ways that you can use ChatGPT in your day-to-day life. Just you can go to the website, that is aiconvo.in, and if you find it helpful, if you find the curriculum helpful, then just definitely go for it. And if you'll use the code elon20, you'll get rupees 400 off on 1899. The price of this course was 6999, but with the excellent discount I've made it to 1899. But if you use code elon20 till 31st of March, you will get rupees 400 off, and the final price of the course will be 1499. So already 680 students have registered, and even 148 people have given the 5 stars about the course. So please check it out. So this was a video about will and how the artificial intelligence will replace the jobs in the market. So if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and share with your friends. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.